Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to software set this device. So the software set operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all you have to do to force restart it is to press two buttons simultaneously, the power button and the volume up button together, and wait until we will see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together and keep pressing. Let's ignore all of the options we've got here. We've got the black screen, which is really good. So keep pressing. I felt the vibration. Will we have a developer's logo or we have to do it again? Let me press the power button. And finally, we've got the developer's logo. So as you can see in this device, you have to first of all turn it off completely by using the power button and the volume up button together. And if you will see the black screen and feel the vibration, then release the fingers and use only the power button to turn it on. This is how it works in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.